filming. Oh, I got that on film. There was some lightning.
Yeah. And kind of show over here so you see the difference. It's so dramatic.
Yeah,
It's
it
like
is.
night and day. It is like night and day.
Yeah. It's like raining onto the. Oh, wow. I just want to see the lightning on over here. Oh, that's gorgeous. No.
Because that way we can see, look, that way we can see out the windshield.
Whatever you say, Mom.
Yeah, just for a moment anyway, just
What's going on over here?
it looks like they usually have like practices, like football practice, because they gotta be good and ready for the upcoming year. Yeah, July, it usually starts, July's tomorrow. Yeah, this looks good. So, I don't want to, I'm gonna go this way for a second. And that way you can get a good shot of that over there, which is going quickly, very quickly. Okay, now, are you videoing still?
I'm still.
Okay, and then you can go, look, stay right there, and I will move the
No,
car.
stop.
No, just watch. No, keep going. See? There we go. Now you got your panoramic. There. I can go around one more time if you want.
No.
No, I know. Tell me when to stop then.
Just focus on.
I have to go around because see, that's blocked. Where do you want me to stop?
I want to see that.
Okay, got it. Oh, yeah, that is cool right there. There's like a downdraft there. Right up there, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I like going out towards the dump because we don't have any power lines.
It's moving fast.
It really is going fast now. Oh, that looks awesome. Look at that. That whole. Are
Yeah.
you just looking at that great big.
Yeah, and it's moving. It's like a shelf. Oh, get out of here, bug.
Yeah, it is. That's suspicious. Wow. That is beautiful.
It's like coming right at us.
I wish it would start swirling right there. It would be a big, giant tornado.
Hell yeah. Where did this store come from? It wasn't even on the radar.
Oh, yeah, I know. It just popped up.
It's like. Oh, they flew away.
Uh-oh. Yeah, they're going somewhere. They're getting the heck out of Dodge. Not us. We want to get right in the middle of it.
It's like looming over us. This is.
It really is. It's so cool. Let's stay here because the wind is starting to pick up really good too.
Oh yeah, it is.
And we are actually just about right under it.
Oh,
Beautiful. That wind is, oh my God, it feels so good. It's just a little bit cooler.
I wish I bet. Oh, it's windy now. Oh, I can't.
That's why everybody's leaving because of the rain. They're like, the practice is over.
Oh wow. need like glasses or something. Oh shit!
Did you see that?
It's like sandblasting.
No, it is. It hurts. It was painful.
I know,
saw
right?
it. I saw the rain.
Oh, here it comes! I see the rain.
Oh, man. This is all the football player parents.
Yeah.
Pussies.
I gotta feel this again.
This looks even better than what you got some really boring stuff over there. I don't know why you weren't looking this way more. Did you hear me?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna be so mad at yourself.
What? Yeah, good idea.
There's no rain coming that way now. Oh, that's much better. What sea is like?
Yeah. What do you think? What miles per hour this is?
Yeah, the gusts.
100? This is like 100.
No, it's like maybe 40, 50 gusts.
Oh.
Oh my god, I thought we lost the hand. So let's see if the miles per hour went up. It went up to 8? No way. It's more than 8.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Look, it's only raining on this side. Look, it's only raining on this side of the van. It's
Oh
not
my
raining.
gosh, I'm actually
It's not
cold.
raining. Look, it's not raining. I'm serious. I was joking at first, but you know that cell got bigger and bigger and bigger. It really, just in that little bit of time.
Whoa!
That was cool. That was a really good. That was a really good one. And it came right down there, right
Uh-huh.
in the beautiful spot. Oh, that's we're finally getting some good light.
Yay!
The gap's gonna close sooner or later.
Oh, the lights turned on. The odds of us getting struck by lightning is low. But what is with those? Wait, I think it's rain maybe.
Oh, I think you're right. Oh, that looks weird. It is rain. That looks so strange.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I see the sheets.
Yeah. It's weird.
It is. I just didn't think it'd be raining over there.
Can you film me?
Oh, yeah. This way? Oh, yeah. You switched around.
Rarely get to film me because usually I'm the one that's filming.
I know. Great. My mom's calling. Great.
Hold on. I'll answer on your phone.
I will.
No sirens?
Hello? We just got to get something to eat, and now we're tornado hunting. Did you see the storm that was approaching? Yeah. Wow, it was crazy. It was. He's filming it, so. Yeah. And we came out here like past Belva.
Holy crap.
West. That wasn't.
So windy out.
Yeah, it is. That you could see without trees, And we came from Fairview. We stopped at the truck wagon.
Whoa!
Did you get that?
I think I did, but I don't know.
Wow, that was awesome. Whoa, the biggest lightning bolt just came down. There's the thunder from it. That's pretty close. Yeah. Woo! It just was like, it came up really suddenly, like, poof. Huh? call you back. Because it's almost over, but I got to get some Wade footage.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
You have no idea how windy it is. It feels like a being pushed by a force.
I don't know why, but it's blurry. Why is it so blurry?
I'm like Reed Timmer. The rain is like, it feels like it's hitting my face so hard. It feels like a teeny tiny light rocks hitting me. Although it's not that much, it's just enough. Keep the camera
Well,
on
I know,
me.
but hold on. You got something. I can't. It's very, very blurry. Okay, now I think it's better.
All right,
Let me check it out.
let's see if we get a shot of a lightning strike in the back. Although those people were cowards. I'm not a coward.
Yeah, they're all gone. They all went home. All the football practice people and parents.
Oh,
Oops.
you like these viewers, huh? I bet
There
you
we
like
go.
this.
That's better right there. I don't know what I did. What did I do differently?
Good Lord, man.
Those guns.
It's just like, oh my, it's like, oh
What?
my
It's-
God.
It's shaking the whole van.
I know, my God.
It's shaking. Okay. Look at the stop sign.
I'm laughing.
Look at the stop sign. Look at the stop sign.
If I go this way, I can move, but if I run this way, it's really hard.
I know. That stop
You
sign's
like
going
this
crazy.
Reed Timmer?
Whoops,
He
there we
goes,
go.
hey, I hope you do.
Oh, that's who you're talking about.
What? I can't hear you with all the.
I know. Sorry, I said, oh, is that who you're talking about?
Oh yeah. I don't know. Looks like it stopped. I don't know. But where is this wind coming from? There's nothing there. It's just air, just rushing.
Yeah.
No, those clouds was like a warning sign.
Yeah. You got
Word
some.
for advice. See,
You
those-
got a good background right there. You see
Oh,
your background?
yeah, word
It's
for advice.
perfect.
See clouds like that? It's gonna be windy.
And the rain in the background. See the rain falling? Look.
I
The
know I
sheet.
see that.
Yeah. Sheets of rain.
Man,
It
when
puts
this is
it-
all over, I'm gonna miss it. I'm just enjoying myself because, you know,
Yeah.
because it feels like it. You
It's
can't-
dry. It is dry over here. I don't understand. It is bone dry over here. But look over here.
I know, right?
I don't understand.
Oh,
That it really is the line. It really is. Look, even the street is dry
oh yeah.
right here.
Oh, you see that?
Oh yeah, I think I missed it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I was showing the dryness of everything.
Oh, I saw lightning right there.
Oh no, I didn't know. I didn't know it'd be
God
like that.
damn it.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get the light. Yeah,
I know, me too.
that was twice. It showed up like right there.
You want it?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Yeah, sure.
No worries. Try not to make such bad.
Whoa! Whoa!
I know. Try to not make such bad faces. There, that's better.
Oh man, it's like
Ooh, it's getting dark
goggles
now.
or something.
And it is.
Damn.
Right now, it's 7:14 p.m.
I'm not that wet actually. It's just
Yeah, I noticed that. You're dry. You know why? From the wind. The wind is drying you out.
oh yeah, it's like a.
Oh my.
I think the reason why it's so windy is because how flat it is.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, I missed that one too. Let's see right there. Let's see.
I'm not scared. I'm having fun. Like, good Lord. It's like,
The wind finally died down just a bit.
oh yeah.
Well, for a moment.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Where was
Feels
that?
like ice crystals.
Where was that one? Yeah, it was like sand blasting is exactly what it felt like.
Blasting
You
me.
know.
Dancing in the storm.
Ooh. Taking a break from the wind.
It's like, it hurts. It's like if you were in a sandstorm.
Yeah, that's right. Like it pelting you.
Ah. Okay, I think I have enough fun.
Seems like all the lightning's over here now. This way.
May I have it, please?
Just a minute. I'm trying to see if we can get another lightning strike
Yeah, I
out
know,
of it. But they're just sheet right now, so it's.
I think it's just because we're up top of it. It's just.
Yeah. Maybe. Street lights came on. That was so cute. See, yes. Okay, you ready? Because you're not going to be able to film very much over there. Through the.
That stop sign
I
reminds me
was
of.
able to keep my window open this entire time. It's actually cool. Oh, it's cold out there. Oh, I wonder what the temperature is.
Oh!
Did you get that one?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to replay the video to see if I. I hope this.
Let's see.
Well, I think that's enough fun.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm gonna turn this off.
yeah. Go ahead.
See you guys in the next
Wander, wait, out.
live stream or
Yeah,
recording.
because you can't see through that anyway.
Yeah.
And it keeps raining so hard. It's hard to keep up with. Okay. So the temperature went down to 88.
All right, we're good. And
From
3.
97 to 88. So, but it still says, yeah, that's crazy.
It's just look at the
It
raindrops.
still
How
says
they?
8 miles an hour. No.
Oh wow. The raindrops are hitting and immediately.
Yeah, so the,
There's gotta be a lightning like right there. Come on, Wade. Come on, lightning. Come on. Come on. Come on. Something. Come on.
So this one.
Oh! Oh!
Did you
I got
get
it! I got it!
Oh my god, I'm so happy! Those were 2 good ones.
Yeah, I just barely
Oh
got
my
it.
god, it was worth the wait. I don't know if you got it through all that.
I got a piece of it. I got the piece of it.
Yeah, but it was through the raindrops. But
It's pretty bright.
it's pretty bright. Awesome.
I gotta use the.
Bathroom?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Pee or the other one?
I'm not gonna say in public.
Okay, don't then. I wouldn't either. I keep forgetting you're still. Oh, look
Recording.
at him. That's a volunteer fireman.
Oh, your limbs fell off in your house.
Oh, could be. That or the lightning hit a house in somewhere.
Oh yeah, we saw where it was.
Okay.
I don't have my seatbelt on, so.
Okay. That's okay. You're not supposed to say it in public.
You saw something.
Oh, I see where the old buses went.
Oh yeah.
Oh, why would they do that?
Well,
We'll go shortcut.
you like to be on camera, which I like that. I know it's me.
Oh, that's you. Okay.
All right, Wade the Walby out.